Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase leaf size in Photoshop. And before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all social medias, link in the description below. So without more ado, let's get started. So open your image in Photoshop like this. As you can see, this is my image. I'm going to unlock the layer, right click, and I'm going to convert this layer to a smart object. And after that, I head over to filter, and then I select liquify. And when that opens up, I'm going to select the first brush over here, choose the size of my brush and the pressure. I'm going to zoom into my image. I'm going to increase it like this. So watch carefully guys, so you don't miss any single step. And also you have to do it as careful and as natural as possible. You don't want it to look too good to be true. So this video is for educational purpose only. Always remember that you are amazing just the way you are. Aww. After you're satisfied with everything, you can now tap on the preview to see the before and the after. And when you're done with everything here, you can now press OK to confirm. So that's it guys. If you want to see amazing tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and also follow me in all social media platforms, links in the description below. If you want to join my Patreon, you can join it, link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And also remember, this video was for educational purpose only. You should love yourself and how you look like, because you're amazing just the way you are. So see you in the next video. Adios.